founded in 2019, formerly NHS, is the second quartz slab production facility under Not Hui Group, following Vinaquartz. Committed to precision and quality, we stand as a key player in the industry. Our blend of tradition and cutting-edge technology ensures timeless surfaces, contributing to the ongoing success of Not Hui Group. DragonQuartz, NHS, is at the forefront of technology innovation and deep investment in machinery to continuously enhance the quality of quartz products. We are strengthening investments in specialized labs, UV testing systems, and rigorous research processes to ensure our products consistently meet durability, strength, and UV resistance standards. We are boosting R&D, focusing on product design and optimizing the production process, improving raw material sources, and minimizing error rates, all of which contribute to consistent quality in every batch. NHS continues to expand its scale, investing in a more extensive showroom and implementing more imaginative, more scientific management systems. The optimized inventory management system helps reduce loss, increase operational efficiency, and ensure fast delivery times for customers. As for our manufacturing facility, we are ISO certified top quality. Spacious production space, scientific arrangement, optimized process. We have a team of designers doing project estimation and shop drawings. Ensure safety and precision. Shape cutting machine, CNC machine. Quality, check on every step of production. Highly skilled workers, grinding products with absolute precision. Finishing products with high detail, seamless laminate edges, and miter edge. Cleaning products before inspection. Ensure cleanliness and quality. Product quality. Inspection. Accurate measurement of every detail. Products are packed in fumigated wooden crate cover with foam. In 2024, NHS DragonQuartz brand was honored in the top 20 leading enterprises and brands in Vietnam. DragonQuartz surfaces are now available in all continents and recommended by interior designers and architects.